Hi everybody, today we're going to make a LEGO Cheetah. These are the pieces we're going to use. At the end, make sure you subscribe. First, we're going to make the head. We're going to take this piece and put it right there. Then we're going to attach these two pieces right here and these two pieces right here to make the lower part of the head. Then we're going to attach this piece right here, this piece right here, and these pieces right here. Then we need to attach this flat 4x2 to lock everything in. Now we're going to flip this on its side like this and place this piece right here. I'm going to flip it like that and attach the cheetah's teeth. Then we're going to attach the eyes and attach these pieces together. Then we're going to flip it over, connect this right here, and move it off to the side. Next, we're going to make the body. We're going to attach this piece in here and this piece in here. Then we're going to attach this piece right here and this piece through here. Then we're going to attach this piece on here. Now we're going to start putting on the cheetah's fur. We're going to attach this 1x4 right here, a 2x4 right here, another 1x4, and another 1x4 right here, a 1x4 right here, a 2x6 right here, and a 2x2 right there. There, we have made the body. Now we're going to make the tail. We're going to take the blue piece, the black piece, and the gray piece, and attach it like that. Then we're going to thread it through like this, attach the bushing on right here, and this piece on right here. It'll look like this. Then we'll add the spacers on right here. There, we've made the tail. Now we're going to build both front feet. We're going to take these two, flip them like that, and add these pieces in. Then we're going to flip them both on their back like this. We're going to attach this piece and this piece to them. Make sure you do the ones with no dots, not the ones with dots. Then we're going to attach the ones with dots right here. We're going to flip them back on their bellies and attach it these right here. Then we're going to attach this right here and this right here. Then we're going to attach these two pieces right here and this piece right here. Now we're going to add the claws in. We're going to attach the claws right here and this last claw right here. There, we have made the front feet. Now we're going to make the back feet. We're going to take these two pieces and attach it right here. Make sure you use the ones that do not have dots. Then we're going to flip them over, attach this right here, like that. Then we're going to flip them right here. We're going to attach this piece right here and this piece right here. Then we're going to place this piece right here and this piece right here. Then we're going to add the claws on the feet like this. There, you've made the back feet. Now we're going to assemble it all together. We're going to take the body and the head and connect them like this. Then we're going to take this front feet, connect it right here on the third dot, and connect this one right here on the third dot as well. Then we're going to connect this back foot right there and the other back foot right there. There, you've made a LEGO Cheetah!